Our bones do not simply work on their own. Carefully observe a skeleton. You will notice that at many different places, two bones are joined. The bones are held together to form joints. The end of each bone is covered by a tough, smooth, shiny substance called cartilage. The cartilage-coated bone ends are kept apart by a thin film of slippery fluid that works like the oil in a machine. Coating of cartilage and the slippery fluid are important so that the bones do not scratch and bump against each other when we move. The bones are held together by strong, stretchy band-like tissue called ligaments. The hinge joint. It works like the hinge of a door. The bones connected by this joint move in one plane only. This joint provides back and forth movement of the body part. The elbow, knee, toe, and finger joints are hinge joints. The ball and socket joint. In this joint, one bone, which has a ball-like end, fits into the hollow socket of another bone. The hip and shoulder joints are examples of this type of joint. The pivot joint. This type of joint is found between the skull and the first two vertebrae of the spine. In this joint, one bone fits into a ring formed by the other bone. Gliding joint. This kind of joint is present in wrist, ankle, and between any two vertebrae of the spine. The flexibility of the backbone is because of this type of joint. We are able to bend forward or backward or sideways owing to the presence of the gliding joint in the vertebrae.